In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Webflow. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Let's dive in. First, head over to Webflow's website. It's a versatile platform that allows you to create custom websites using its visual editing tools. If you haven't already, click on the free sign up option. You can create an account using your email and password, or if you prefer, you can sign up using your Google account. Make sure to create a unique and secure password to keep your account safe. Once your account is set up and you're logged in, navigate to the Sites section in Webflow. This will bring you to your project dashboard where you can see all the projects you're working on. Find the site you want to link pages within and click to open it. Now let's start linking pages. Begin by clicking on the Elements panel located on the left side of your screen. One easy method to create a link is by adding a link block. To do this, locate a link block element from the panel and drag it onto your canvas. Once the link block is in place, click on it to select it. In the settings at the right, you'll see an option to enter a URL. Here, type in the address of the website or page you intend to link to. If this link is to an external website, you might want to select the option to open the link in a new tab. This ensures that visitors don't leave your site entirely, maintaining engagement. To further customize your link settings, click on Show All Settings. Here you can tweak additional preferences, such as the link's design or behavior. If you're unsure, you can experiment with settings until they meet your desired look or functionality. There's also another way to link in Webflow, and that is by using a text link. Again, go back to the Elements panel, but this time select Text Link instead of Link Block. Place it where you want on the page, and then type in a name for this link like Contact or Services. Just like before, enter the URL you want this link to navigate to. When you're happy with your link settings, it's time to publish your changes. Click on Publish to update your live site. You'll have the option to publish to selected domains, so make sure the correct domains are checked. After publishing, you can close these settings. And there you have it, you've successfully linked pages within Webflow. By following these steps, you've ensured that visitors can navigate seamlessly through your site, enhancing their experience. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.